Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a couple of weeks since I made a video. I mean, there's been a lot going on. I'm gonna apologise right now for how all over the place this video is. I mean, I've recorded so much for this video. Little bits. I've recorded so many little bits all at different times for this video. But basically, as you can tell by the title, when it was snowing, we had the beast from the east. I slid my car into a curb and it bent. At the time, I didn't know, but it bent my offside. Is it my offside? Basically, the passenger side steering rack end, not the track rod end. It bent the steering rack end, which I think they call it the drumstick. Which you will see videos of, by the way. I've got little clips here and there that I'm going to add in. But basically, long story short, I hit the curb. I think it took about a week for me to get the new part. So I obviously recorded on the day when I'd done it. I recorded a little bit of, if I can find the footage on my phone of when I actually hit the curb, I'll edit that in right about now. I fucking hate this shit right now. Like, wasn't even going fast. Like, my wheel literally just hit this fucking shit bit right here. Fucking wank. And now I can't even fucking go straight forward for some reason. Like, where is it? Oh, it's at the bottom here. No, it's here. Fucked. Can't even see it, but you know, it's fucked. And then obviously, when what I needed to do is, because I couldn't drive my car properly after I hit the curb, so I went and got it checked out. We went down to my mate's garage. I got a few videos of me there. What's this fucking pleb doing?
Sort of adjust it a little bit and then restart the whole thing.
It's good. So yeah, basically after the new part had arrived, eventually, it was literally just down to the process of installing the new part and then getting it realigned again, and I guess I'll skip to the video of that right now. Rod, if it focuses, the bent tie rod, as you can see, is bent. The hardest part is getting this plastic boot off. I mean, this clip right here, I don't know if I can zoom in as well. That clip right there it's like a one-use clip. So if you don't have any cable ties, then I suggest getting cable ties or just getting a brand new clip. I mean, I've got a new clip. I can get it from where I'm going to get my alignment done, so I ain't too worried about the clip. Now you just got to, like, for some reason I can't pull this bit of plastic back over, like this bit of plastic right here is meant to be coming this way because it's got to come off this end of the tie rod, because there's that right there, this bit right here with the white on it has got I've got to twist that off somehow, but I can't do it with that plastic in the way. So I need to get that out of the way, and then what we'll do is we'll get this bolt off here, knock the tie rod end out, make sure to count the turns of how many turns the tie rod comes off the tie rod end so the tracking isn't too out. I mean, I'm not too worried because I'm going to get my tracking done straight after I've done this. But yeah, as you can tell, I am freezing my ass off. It's very windy and my hands are freezing. But anyway, let's get to it. Alright, so guys, after many attempts of trying to get that track rod end out, not track rod end, sorry, the tie rod end out, I have finally done it. And this is the difference between new and old. So yeah, as you can see, very bent. The only reason that this old one was really hard to get out is if you look at this end bit, if it focuses, will it focus? There we go, we've got a bit of focus in there. Basically, you can see this end bit has got nothing to grip onto. You can see the marks where I gripped onto it eventually. But this new one has got the little indents to, when it focuses, this new one has got the little indents to have a spanner on it. So that'll be easy to put on and get off in the future if it was to ever happen again. But anyway, as you can see where the old one's bent. Right now, how I'm holding the camera, the old one looks really longer than the new one, but it only sits about this much longer. Obviously after the bend it would be straight in line, but it only sits about this much longer, so that means instead of putting the track rod end on to this end with 20 turns on again, I'll do it at like 18 or something, so then it just sort of gives me sort of a straight alignment until I get it aligned in a little while. So yeah, anyway, we'll get back to putting this new bit back on, and I will hopefully not freeze to death. Alright guys, I just want to say a big thank you for watching the video. I appreciate it. We've surpassed 400 subscribers now, which is crazy. I mean, I really do want to upload more frequently, but it's just having the content there to be able to upload. I mean, money's tight, can't buy things, and yeah, you know how it is anyway. I'll try to upload as much as I can with the content that I can get my hands on. Anyway, I appreciate you watching the video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and the like button, and I will see you in my next video, guys.